everyone. My name is Renzi Garcia from ICT 11A. This is the movie review of Kita Kita 2017, directed by Sigrid Andrea P. Bernardo. This movie started to the cast Leia, a cheerful Filipina tour guide in Sapporo, Japan, had a happy life. But everything changed when she discovered her fiance's infidelity. The pain and disappointment caused her to temporarily lose her sight. In the midst of her darkness, she met Tonyo, a fellow Filipino and her neighbor. Tonyo, with his kind and loving heart, offered help and support to Leia. Despite Leia's initial resistance, her heart gradually warmed to Tonyo's kindness. As Tonyo helped Leia cope with her blindness, their friendship deepened and love blossomed in their hearts. They shared joyful moments, heartwarming conversations, and dreams for the future. But fate had other plans. Tragedy struck when Tonyo died in an accident. Tanya's loss brought immense sorrow to Leia, but amidst her grief, she found peace and hope in the memories they shared. Tanya's love and support gave her the strength to face her blindness and the loss of her beloved. In the end, Leia learned that love is not erased by death. Tanya's memories will continue to inspire and empower her to live with the hope. Kita Kita is a story of love, loss, and hope. It is a reminder that even in the midst of darkness, love will always be the light that guides us.